whoa, I just got rear-ended. This small device right here can save your vehicle in a big way, and probably the only dashcam that you're going to need. This is the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam, and with features like this, and this, and this, you'll definitely have the security and peace of mind that you definitely need when you're driving. So let's take a closer look. When you get the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam, what you will get is the front dashcam, the rear camera, windshield mount, spare mounting tape, 12-volt power cable, rear cam cable, 32GB micro SD card, adhesive cable clips, external GPS, trim tool, warranty cards, and the hard wiring cable. Basically, you just run your wire, test fit it first, mount your cameras, and then you're good to go. And if you look at the physical features of the dashcam, I think this is a great addition to the THINKWARE Dashcam. The front camera has a 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen, so you can clearly see what is being recorded right away. And you don't need to connect it to your phone first. Everything is right there in front of you, and it shows that right there right away, and I really like that. But how is the overall speed of the program? Typically, when it comes to small devices like this, the interface or the program itself is not very responsive, and it's very annoying to use every time you go in to change the setting or every time you're recording a video. But in my experience with the THINKWARE ARC, the response time is pretty fast. I didn't have any problem at all. Every time I touch the screen, it's very responsive, and overall I really like the speed of the program itself with the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam. So far upon testing the physical features of the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam, I really like this addition to my vehicle. But how is the video footage of this dashcam? Because then if the footage is not very good, then what's the point? So let's take a closer look. The dashcam records in 2K at both front and rear cameras at 30 frames per second, and the footage has a wide dynamic range. So if you're not familiar with the term, it means that this camera corrects images with strong sunlight or shadows, making sure that you have a good footage while it records. The camera also has smart auto exposure, which is pretty cool, especially if you have strong headlights in your surroundings. These are some of the footages I got throughout the day. One is at sunset, one is during daytime, and one is during nighttime when there is no lights around, or if there is just street lights around. And here is some sample footage of the rear camera. But what do you think about the video quality of this dashcam? Make sure to let me know in the comments below. But that's not all that it can do. The THINKWARE ARC Dashcam has unique features that I've never seen a dashcam do, and I think these are great additions to the dashcam. First is the rear camera. I've never seen a dashcam that included a rear or back camera, and I think this is a great addition or a great feature to have when you're having dashcams, because most of the time most incidents are happening because of being rear-ended, and the rear and back camera gives you the extra peace of mind and a little bit of proof to show that you are rear-ended by a certain vehicle. Imagine you're just driving around and suddenly you got rear-ended and like, whoa, I just got rear-ended. With the rear camera, you have that proof that somebody did hit you and you just got rear-ended. And let's say you run into a situation where you got hit and run. You have both the rear and the front camera to capture the vehicle in case of a hit and run. So I think both are really good. Another feature that this dashcam has is a traffic signal alert, which means it gives you an alert every time the signal light turns from red to green. There's often a big problem with people being distracted on the road, and that's one of the biggest causes of incidents while you're driving. Now, I do believe that what people really need to do is pay more attention on the road and stop being distracted by, daydreaming or looking at their phones. I really do believe that paying more attention, being more attentive is a solution, but the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam helps you pay attention while you're on the road so that you're not causing traffic or you're not being distracted. Another feature that THINKWARE ARC has is a speed camera warning. So it gives you warning if there's a possible speed camera ahead. Now, I don't think the purpose of this is to just help you get away with tickets. I believe that THINKWARE is trying to help people pay more attention to the speed, because imagine you say you're driving and you didn't realize that the speed signal already changed because there's vehicles in the way or it's traffic and there's just too many things happening and you're not really aware of the speed that's around you. But with the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam, it helps you realize that, oh, the speed already changed and there's going to be speed traps ahead. So I think THINKWARE is trying to be more helpful to the drivers and helping them be more aware of the speed that they're driving. Another great feature that the THINKWARE ARC has is that it has a front vehicle departure warning. So meaning if you are at a stop and the front vehicle started moving, it gives you a notification that the traffic starts moving. And the reason why this is great is because people make mistakes, and people, I said earlier, are often distracted when they're driving. So let's say the traffic turns from red to green and the person in front of you doesn't move right away, but you are paying attention, so you press on the gas, but they're not paying attention. So there's a possibility that you might hit them and you might rear end them. So with this feature, it helps you exercise patience and helps you and gives you a notification that the front vehicle is already moving and therefore you can move as well. So I think that's a great feature by THINKWARE ARC. Just keep in mind that with these features such as the front departure warning, traffic light signal, you do need to attach the GPS device that is included when you get the THINKWARE ARC. So those features won't work unless you put that on to your dashcam. This device also has a motion detector and an impact detection when you are parked, meaning that this device will start recording if it senses that the vehicle shook, or if there's any person that is in front and is lurking in front of the vehicle. This is a great feature to have because a couple of years ago my vehicle got hit at the side and it was reported and given to insurance and everything, but the insurance couldn't do anything because there's no proof that the other vehicle actually hit the car, even though there is a scratch on the side and there's a remainder in paint on the other vehicle. Unfortunately, the insurance company still didn't do anything about it. But if we had the dash cam and it notified and it started recording that the vehicle shook when the other vehicle hit us, then it would have been proof that the vehicle got hit, and I would have gotten the side of my vehicle fixed today. So I wish I had this dash cam before when that incident happened. And last feature is that you can connect this device to your phone, and that's how you get to download the footage. You don't need to remove the SD card, you can just download it right away, and it's connected via Wi-Fi, and as well as you can change settings right at the comfort of your phone instead of navigating the settings through the small 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen that is included with the camera. So sometimes when you're going through settings, and if you're going to, especially if there's a lot of settings, it can get annoying if you're working with a small screen. But since you can just connect your phone to the dash cam, then you can change the settings and it'll be more convenient. So who is this dash cam for? If you are a driver, whether you're just starting out, if you have an old vehicle, if you have a new vehicle, I think this dash cam is pretty much necessary because of its unique features that it has, and just because of how roads are these days. Dash cams have become almost necessary nowadays because of how many incidents are there. Now, is there any improvements that could have been done with the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam? Absolutely. This is not a perfect device. However, it does have great features. First improvement that I can think of is the GPS. THINKWARE can make a dashcam with a internal GPS instead of having an external GPS, hooking it on and then sticking the GPS somewhere in your windshield. I hope that they can make a GPS that is included and is internal to the front camera, which means that it'll have a cleaner look and you won't have a bunch of devices that are stuck to your windshield. Overall, I think the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam is worth getting for your vehicle. So if you want to check out the THINKWARE ARC Dashcam, there's a link down below, and consider looking into it. Maybe it's the right dashcam for your vehicle. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to further support this channel, please press that like button if you like this video, and consider subscribing for more reviews just like this one. Now click on this video right here to see what YouTube thinks that you should watch next. See you in the next video.